For many years, people from all over the world have added rice to their meals and cuisines. But wait a minute, what would we 21st century people do without our rice cookers? If you're looking like this, you need this video. Welcome to my channel where you're cooking with Mel, and today we're making stovetop rice. So I'm using a Jasmine rice. We're going to add about 1 1/3 cups. See, I have my little measuring cup here. You're going to use the regular pot, something big enough to cook rice for about 4 people. So what you want to do is wash the rice, and you want to wash the rice because you want to get, some of the starch off. They say if you wash it that you'll lose nutrients, but I don't care. I don't want no starchy rice. So we're going to wash it real good. There we go. And now we're going to get ready to add some water. When you add water for cooking, you're going to put like enough water to go a little bit over the rice, about halfway over. You don't want to put too much rice in. And you're going to cook it on a medium heat. Add your butter, add your salt. You see that I'm going to put like salt in the palm of my hand, kind of measuring how much salt I want. It actually turned out perfect. It wasn't too salty, but you could put salt according to however you wanted to. So what you want to do is bring the rice to a boil on medium heat, kind of stir around a little bit. And once it comes to a boil, put a lid on it. So I'm putting my lid on, and I'm going to let the rice cook on low. Do not try to cook this rice too fast. So you're going to check the rice every so often. Use a fork to check the rice. Do not use a spoon. It's going to make it too starchy and it's going to be sticky. You don't want to look like you're cooking oatmeal. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't nobody want it. That's nasty. So pour a little water on the stove. Do not remove the pot from the stove. Add water as you go along. Add a little water at a time and let it cook down and see if it's done. If you taste it and it's still not done, put that lid right back on and go through the same process. So I'm stirring it. Right about now it's done. So here is the meal that I prepped my rice for. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you like me and tune in for the next video.